Okay. Now I am resuming my share. Actually, I forgot to do the recording. Now the recording is on. So what are the different advantages of DBMS? Different advantages of DBMS is, one is data availability. That means data is available anywhere, anytime. Next is minimize redundancy. Please everyone stay muted. What is minimized redundancy? Information in DBMS is kept concise and appears just once. That means there is no repetition of data. This capability reduces data redundancy. For business, it means there is no need to repeat the same data over and over again. Companies are enabled to significantly reduce the cost of retaining business information on storage devices. Data accuracy, consistency, and relevance.
লেখাগুলো একদমই ক্লিয়ার না।
No,
লেখাগুলো একদমই ক্লিয়ার না।
Who is saying this? Who is saying this?
Ma'am, me, Rakesh Chandra Dey.
Yes. Others, are you able to see?
No, ma'am, not properly.
No, ma'am.
No
Yes,
need.
ma'am,
I will give you the link of the website. Just listen what I am saying. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, please listen so that you can understand the gist. I will give you the link also. And once you read from that site, then come back to me. I have given the names of the books also. You can purchase. From bookstore, you can purchase the book. There are several ebooks. What you can do, you can just search the topic which I have taught. You will get a huge number of material. And I will also provide you that YouTube link of the related topic. So what is next is minimize redundancy. What is redundancy? Redundancy is repetition of data. It means redundant information is not stored in DBMS. Companies are enabled to significantly reduce the cost of retaining business information on storage devices. Data accuracy, consistency, and relevance. So accurate, consistent, and relevant data is a sign of data integrity. Does anyone of you aware about data integrity? What is data integrity? Anyone of you? What is the meaning of data integrity? Do you know?
Ma'am, data integrity means
Yes.
the consistency of data. I mean the wholeness of data. There
Ma'am,
should be
maintenance of the data.
At the same time, more than one student. Rakesh Chandra Dey, what is your roll number? Rakesh Chandra Dey?
Ma'am, 32 maybe. I don't know.
What is your roll?
Maybe 32 maybe, ma'am. Not sure, ma'am.
Please be muted. When one of the student is answering, stay muted.
Okay.
This is the rule which all of you must follow. If everyone starts, you are not in class 1. If everyone starts speaking, I will not be able to listen. Okay, who was explaining? Please say again. As I
data ma'am, data redundancy means sorry. And data redundancy means, ma'am, the whole the consistency of data. I mean, this should be in proper way. we should manage that data in proper way.
Okay. Okay. And
That's,
anyone more who want to give me the answer? He is correct. The meaning of data integrity, so that the
Sorry.
data, yeah,
sorry, yes,
so that
that's
the,
data integrity. Sorry, ma'am.
so the meaning of data integrity is the data don't get garbled. Sorry. The data is in correct form and there is no error in the data. So information in DBMS is kept concise and appears just one. This capability reduces data redundancy. For business, it means there is no need to repeat the same data over and over again. That is redundancy, minimization of redundancy. What is data accuracy, consistency, and relevance? This is one of the feature. Please listen carefully. Data accuracy, consistency, relevance. Accurate, consistent, and relevant data. Accurate means exact. Consistent is which remains same across all nodes. Why across all nodes? Because the same data is shared with different users. All of the users are able to view the same data. And what is relevant data? Relevant data means the data which is relevant. Like, for example, if you want to go to watch a movie, then you will what you can do, you will read the review of the movie. What type of review is that, whether you are, it is worth watching in a movie hall or not, like that. So that data is called relevant data. But like data related to game, online game, that is not relevant to the how to whether you want to watch this movie or not. That is not relevant with any online game. So relevance of data means related data which is similar to the data needed. Accurate, consistent, and relevant data is a sign of data integrity. With help of DBMS, companies can foster the integrity of their business records. Foster means they can force. Companies force the integrity of business records so that any business record don't get repeated, so that the business record don't get lost. That is called data accuracy, consistency, and relevance. Next is file consistency. What is file consistency? When an organization implements a database management app, it benefits from using file formats that are standardized. What do you mean by standardized format? Does any one of you aware about standardization? Please answer.
It means, ma'am, there should be some rules, standard procedure.
Okay, correct. I will request others to interact in class. All of you are new to me. We have not known each other well, but through interaction, I can understand how many of you are listening carefully. Since this class is from 1 p.m., else I will think that probably you all are sleeping. You're not interacting in class. This topic is relatively new to those who come from non-computer science background. I will request every one of you to interact in class so that you can understand. Since the time is very less, soon the exam will start. File consistency. What is file consistency? That whenever the business records are available with multiple programmer, the same business record or it remains consistent along different nodes. Improve data security. As stated above, database management system let different users access the same data resources. Although this capability is generally regarded as an advantage, there is a portion of risk that some data can be viewed and modified by unauthorized user. It means when with the help of DBMS, the data security part has been strengthened from any unauthorized view. Do you understand what is unauthorized access of a data? Whom I should ask? Roll number 25. Priyanjana Roy. Unmute yourself. Roll 26.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by
Yes, ma'am.
illegal access of data?
Illegal access of data.
Yes.
Hmm.
What do you understand by access of data?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, illegal access means someone who is not authorized to view that data, or so he is trying to view it by force or some without authority, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Good definition. So data security is or illegal accesses when someone who is not authorized to view or to access your bank account or your confidential information is accessing the information. So that is called data security. Easiness in data management. What is easiness in data management? Sorry. One more business advantage is that database management app enables easier data management. Why? Because it provides users with simple yet powerful tools for entering, changing, and exporting business data. Okay.
Ma'am, is it mean updation?
Easiness, one of the feature is updation. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Not everything. You see, one small feature is updation. Okay. Now, DBMS features, there are variety of DBMS database management tools that provide different features and functionality. What are they? I am looking whether you want to ask any question, you can ask. I am waiting. একটা টপিক যখন শেষ হয়ে যায়, হ্যালো শুনতে পাচ্ছ তো সবাই? একটা টপিক যখন
Yes,
শেষ
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
কোনো কোশ্চেন, কোনো ডাউট এর জন্য আমি একটু টাইম দিলাম তোমাদের। তোমরা কেউ কিছু জিজ্ঞেস করলে না।
Ma'am,
Right.
I have some question.
Who are you? Let me see. Participant list.
Ma'am, Devjyoti.
বলো।
Ma'am, I have some question related to what is the practical difference between DBMS and RDMS? I just
The difference between DBMS and RD, there are 12 rules which are given by Boyce Scott. Boyce Scott was a scientist. He established several concepts of DBMS. So Boyce Scott gave 12 rules of a DBMS to become RDBMS. It means a DBMS must satisfy 12 rules so that it can be referred to as RDBMS. Is it okay, Devajyoti?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
This is a question which can be asked in exams also. I will give you,
Okay, ma'am.
sorry, I will give you the material. What I will suggest, please go through that material. And if there is a need, then please ask me. I will solve the problem if you face any problem while understanding this. Everyone, please listen. That time is less. You have less time. First semester, generally, we have less time. So, what we will do, we will cover the topic fast. I will give you notes with material, of course, materials which are available over net, and you will go through them. I will request every one of you to please cooperate so that learning becomes easier. Once you get into the subject, you go through the subject. DBMS is a very interesting and very easy subject, but it is considered as core of computer science or computer application, whatever. So what are the different features of DBMS? Data structuring, data customization, data retrieval. What is data retrieval? I have already discussed. What is data structuring? Data structuring is whenever the information is stored in the digital repository, then records, tables, or objects are prepared. That is called digital repository. Because we don't prepare any table, we prepare table through query that is stored in the DBMS, that is stored in Oracle. Oracle, MySQL, these are the platforms where you will conduct your practical classes. Soon, like tomorrow, I think from 10 p.m. we have 10 a.m. we have practical classes, right? So there will be division. Let me, all of you who are present, please listen that there will be a division of group. Group X and Group Y. Group X students, consider, till today you have not got your roll number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Have no fixed roll
soon
number.
I will go to college.
Some of us get our roll number.
Yeah, you have not received,
Ma'am,
all of you have not received your roll number, I suppose, isn't it?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, so
Ma'am, we
tomorrow,
have,
yes, please say.
ma'am, we have already group X and group Y.
You,
According
you
to serial
already
number.
have Group X and Group Y, fine.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yeah, it is according to roll number. Roll number is sorry. It is according to
Serial
serial number.
number. I think if I'm not wrong, serial number and roll number are same in your group,
No,
isn't it?
no,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. It is,
No, ma'am, it's different.
ma'am. We will get roll number in 15, like 15 is maybe
Okay.
15 February. Sorry.
Okay. Okay, so I think you will soon. I will. I once I go to the college. I will go tomorrow to college, and then I will see that what is the problem with roll number and all. Then I will solve it. Okay. I will let you know soon.
Okay,
Once I
ma'am.
solve the problem,
Okay.
I will let you know soon.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So what plus but please those I think some of the students are from non-computer background also in your class. So please those students, please learn the subjects well so that you can give your exams also, because unless and until you prepare well for your exams, you will not be able to write the exams properly. You have to learn well. Okay. Now, what are the features? Data structuring. Please, everyone, please stay muted. Data structuring, database customization, data retrieval, query languages, multi-user access, data integrity, metadata. These are the different concepts. What is metadata? Does anyone have any idea about metadata? Have anyone heard this term, metadata?
Yes, ma'am.
Where you have heard and what is the meaning?
Ma'am, data about data.
Yes. Something more? Data about data, can you
Ma'am,
give?
that
Short
provides
description.
information. Ma'am, that provides information about other data.
Like, can you give a real life example? Very good. All of you are correct. Can anyone give me real life example? Simple example, which everyone knows. Can you give?
Ma'am, model.
Pages, video.
Yes, ma'am.
Please repeat who said the answer. Video something.
Ma'am.
It's web pages and
Web
videos.
pages. Very good. Very good. Web pages. When like Yahoo, whatever site you open, Amazon, whenever you click on that product, it gives you the detailed description. That is a hyperlink. Through hyperlink, you visit different page. That is a good example of metadata. Suppose a picture, when you click on that picture, you get the detailed information about that product, about the price of the product. So that is a metadata. Nothing but a metadata, a data itself which contains the information of another data. That is called metadata. Okay. So
Yes,
today
ma'am.
we
Ma'am,
learned.
and a book also, the author name, title, page numbers, index.
Yes. Very good. That is also metadata. But generally, when we are talking about DBMS, no, we talk about the offline. We are talking about something online, which we are able to relate. Of course, it can also be an example of metadata. But like when you explain in exam, then please don't write this example. So write it that like web pages, different advertisement, there itself data, and when we click on those, they open another site. So today we covered mainly about the characteristic features of DBMS. Tomorrow I think there will be a lab. There is a lab. So I want all of you to learn the advantages of DBMS over file system. Everyone will learn. Before starting the lab classes, we will discuss for some time what are the advantages. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Please, all of you, please be aware. And all of you will prepare tomorrow. All of you may have to explain by screen sharing. Like you will open the camera, I will see your face and you will explain the difference. Everyone will answer. After that, we will start with lab class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
So should we stop today or should we learn something more? Not getting anything. I'm not getting answer from you. Should we stop up to this or we will start with something more?
We can learn something more.
Something more.
So let me again share one thing. Wait. I'm sharing my screen. All of you please see this. Features of database management. Backup and recovery management. Data storage management. Data dictionary management. Data transformation and presentation. Security management. And data integrity management. These are the several features of database management shown diagrammatically. It is a very good website, or sorry, very good diagram. You can take the screenshot of this screen. Well, if you draw the figure in exam, if it is possible, if the time allows, if you are able to draw, then it will be considered as a plus point that you have.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the picture is not clearly shown. Can you please share the link of the website?
Of course, I will share. Of course, I will share. Don't worry, I will share the link. Okay.
No, for my side, the PPT is clearly visible.
Maybe some students are facing network issues. That is not an issue, because I know that sometimes even my voice is breaking. I cannot listen sometimes what the student is saying. So maybe network problem. Okay, I will share. Don't worry about that. But what you have to do, since all of you, some of you are not from computer background, so all of you must study. Data storage management. Data is to be stored on disk of our computers. Now imagine what will happen. All of you are aware about structures and arrays. No, some of you might not be aware. Okay, it is an issue because huge amount of data cannot be stored. So what we do, we run some data enhancement process or some data storage management, where the data storage of big data is reduced to smaller one. Like data optimization is done and the huge storage of data is converted to smaller data. Okay. That is called data storage management. Okay. Okay. So today only this much. Okay, one topic which I want to just quickly cover: backup and recovery management. What is backup and recovery management? Backup, suppose the system crashes, then there is a backup of the system. We can retrieve the backup of the system. And recovery management, we have to recover that data. We have to recover the lost data from the backed up data. So that comes under backup and recovery management. Okay. So that's all about today. Soon the class will end. I will give you a link tomorrow at 10 a.m. I think I am having the class. So those of group X will join the class. I think tomorrow it is of group X or group Y? Which group?
Group X.
Group X. Okay. So group X students will join and they will answer my question which I have asked. Okay. So that's all for today. I'm ending the meeting. If
Hello, ma'am.
anyone, yes.
ম্যাম আমাদের যে মানে এক্সাম হয় তো
হুম।
আমাদের মানে কিভাবে সিট মানে সিট কিভাবে আমাদের বসায় মানে নামের মানে প্রথম লেটার অনুযায়ী নাকি না রোল নম্বর অনুযায়ী?
That varies. That is not fixed. That varies from year to year, from semester to semester. There is an exam cell which takes the decision on these. ঠিক আছে, তো এক্সাম সেলের উপর ডিপেন্ড করে। there is no hard and fast rule যে এইভাবেই বসানো হবে, সেটা চেঞ্জ হতে পারে আর টোটালি ডিপেন্ড করে এক্সাম সেলের উপর। ওকে।